Welcome to the Carpool Matchmaker. The Matchmaker is an apps for democracy application that aims to prove a very simple point. We can live a little more green. The Matchmaker helps people find carpools that fit their personal preferences. Let's give it a quick test drive. Logged into the Matchmaker as a gentleman by the name of Will Stuffer. Will is a proud resident of the District of Columbia, and at the moment, unfortunately, Will is not a member of a carpool, but he wants to be. And the Matchmaker can help him in a couple of ways. The easiest way Will can get started with carpooling is by viewing carpools that are in his neighborhood and choosing one and becoming a member. The Carpool Matchmaker makes it very simple for people to choose from different carpools. There are carpools at local points of interest founded by other members of the Matchmaker system, perhaps at local gyms or a nearby Starbucks or a nearby church. In Will's case, he notices that there is a carpool just a short distance away from his house that is just off MacArthur Boulevard, and he thinks that that seems to work for him. It doesn't have a full membership yet, so Will's going to go ahead and join that carpool. And with that, Will is officially a member of a carpool that meets every morning at 4:30 and returns home every evening at 6:30. And of course, the number one rule of at least this carpool is that all members of the carpool must support Apps for Democracy. So that's the end of Will's option number one. Will's other option is to create his own carpool. The Carpool Matchmaker allows a potential carpool creator to view points of interest, such as churches, colleges, gyms, hospitals, even local points of interest like the Starbucks. And once the user has taken a look at the different options that are available. For instance, Will lives pretty close to American University, as well as the University of the District of Columbia and Potomac College. The individual can then add a new carpool to the system. So in this case, for instance, Will has chosen Potomac College as the starting point. And of course, the destination is entirely up to Will because Will wants to create a carpool from and to points that are interesting both to him and maybe his potential carpool mates. So in this case, Will is going to specify some of the details about his carpool. He can only fit 4 people in his car. He'd like to leave every morning at 7 a.m. and return every evening at 6 p.m. And with that, the Carpool Matchmaker then adds that carpool to the system, and anybody can join it. So in this case, of course, Will will be the first member of his carpool, and others, as they come in and look for carpools that are convenient for them, hopefully will join up with Will and live a little more green. Last but not least, we've begun to integrate the Matchmaker with additional data services and networks that would make it even more valuable to its users. As a simple example, we've begun to integrate the Matchmaker with social networks like Facebook, so that carpool members can not only find each other by going through the Matchmaker interface, but also can find each other through going through tools that they might use more often and be more familiar with, and Facebook would be a great example. In addition, we've integrated the Matchmaker with some DC data services that would make it possible for carpool members to travel faster, travel more efficiently, perhaps during off-peak hours or in less congested areas of the city. And between those two services, we hope that the Matchmaker is, in the end, a great way to help people meet up with each other and live a little more green. I hope you enjoyed the demo.